Hey y'all, it's Michaela Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video, I will be going back into my Boss It Up Room series videos. So this video will be all about lighting and how I got these things together and how I am creating the atmosphere that I want. All over YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, you see everyone with the neon lights. Some people have lights underneath their bed, behind their bed, all kind of places like that. They have colored lights, and I've been wanting some colored lights. But when you check Amazon, you go to Home Depot, you go to places like that, those lights with the remotes are kind of expensive. And I was just like, no, I don't want to pay that much. I'm not going to pay that much. And also, I wanted to create my own vanity, so I was like, we're gonna have to DIY this up and find some cheaper alternatives. So first things first, we're just gonna start with the colored lights. One day I was in Home Depot, I was looking in the light bulb section. Okay, they had pink lights, blue lights, but I wanted something with a remote. I found this Crayola light bulb right here, and I'm gonna insert a picture. This light bulb I paid $7 for. This light bulb is remote controlled, a multicolor LED bulb. There's 15 colors on this remote, so you can change it. I actually bought 2 of these for $7. Also, you're gonna see in this video, I have a bar LED light that I actually paid $20 for from Home Depot to illuminate my vanity area that still does not have a mirror coming soon. But you're gonna see where I put my 2 bulbs and how my room illuminates at night with the light and how it looks in the daytime and how much brightness comes from my bar LED light. And also, as you can see just from this video alone, my lighting looks like I have a ring light or something like that, but this is just a $20 LED bulb. It works so good. So in this video, we're gonna get your room lighting together, honey, so we can create the atmosphere and the aesthetic. My room lighting totally was $34. So I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. Please continue to watch if you'd like to get some info on cheap lighting for your room. This video is so exciting and so long awaited. I've been having these bulbs for such a long time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.